Namaskar. I am Dan Gaude, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today I discuss the examples on Euler-Lagrange equation, Euler-Lagrange differential equation from variational principle of classical mechanics of semester first, MSc first. One more example there is, find the extremal of the functional integral from 1 to 2 x square x cube divided by y dash square dx, subject to the condition that y of 1 is equal to 0, y of 2 is equal to 0. Here when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3. We have the extremal, the functional I is equal to integral from 1 to 2 x cube divided by y dash square dx. The functional should be maximum, extremum if the integrand f is equal to x cube divided by y dash square satisfy the Euler-Lagrange differential equations, that is del by f by del by y minus d by dx of del by f by del by y dash is equal to 0. Therefore, we know that functions of y is nothing absent. Therefore, del by f by del by y is equal to 0, and del by f by del by y dash is d by dy dash of x cube divided by y dash square. One derivative of 1 upon y dash square with respect to y dash is nothing but minus 1 upon y dash, and therefore d by dx of x cube divided by y dash square is equal to 0. We integrate and we get x cube is equal to c y dash cube. X cube is equal to c y dash cube, taking cube root on both sides. Therefore, x is equal to square root of c into y dash, and square root of c nothing but take out inside. Therefore, y dash is equal to 1 upon square root of c y dash integral 1 upon square root of c is nothing but a. Y dash is equal to ax. Therefore, y is equal to a by 2x square plus b. Now we know that y of 1 is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2. Therefore, a by 2 into 0 plus b is equal to y of 1 is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, therefore putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, therefore a by 2 is a plus b is equal to 0. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3, and we get y of 2 is equal to 3. Putting y is equal to a by 2 x square plus b, putting the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, therefore 2a plus b is equal to 3. And we get two simultaneous equation, a by 2 plus b is equal to 0. This implies that a plus 2b is equal to 0 and 2a plus b is equal to 3. And solving this for a and b, and we get a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. Putting a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1 in equation y is equal to a by 2 x square plus b, and we get our required functional becomes y is equal to x square minus 1. Y is equal to x square minus 1. This is required functional. Next example, show that the time taken by a particle along moving along a curve y is equal to y of x with velocity ds by dt is equal to x from the point 0, 0 to the point 11 is minimum if the curve is a circle having its center on the x-axis. Solution: let a particle be moving along a curve y is equal to y of x from the point 0, 0 to the point 1, 1 with velocity v is equal to x dot is equal to ds by dt. Therefore, dt is equal to ds by x. When the time is total time is taken required for the particle to move from point 0, 0 to the point 1, 1 is given by t is equal to integral from 0 to 1 ds by square root of ds by x. Therefore, ds by s, where the infinitesimal distance between 2 points on the path is given by infinitesimal distance is nothing but by the distance formula. ds is equal to square root of 1 plus y dash square dx, where y dash is equal to dy by dx. Therefore, integral t is equal to 0 to 1 ds by x is nothing but t is equal to integral from 0 to 1 square root of 1 plus y dash square divided by x dx. The time taken is minimum if the integrand f is equal to square root of 1 plus y dash square divided by x most satisfy Euler's Lagrange differential equations, that is dy by f by dy by y minus d by dx of dy by f by dy by y dash is equal to 0. But in terms of functional f is equal to square root of 1 plus y dash square divided by x, the terms y is absent, therefore dy by f by dy by y is equal to 0. And dy by f by dy by y dash is equal to 1 upon to square root of 1 plus y dash square into x multiply y dash, and d by dx of y dash divided by x square root of 1 plus y dash square is equal to 0. Integrating we get y dash is equal to cx square root of 1 plus y dash square. Solving for y dash we get y dash is equal to x divided by square root of a square minus x square for a is equal to 1 upon c. Therefore, integrating we get x is equal to putting a sin theta, therefore a square minus x square, a is taken outside, therefore 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos theta, and here x is equal to a sin theta, a get cancelled, and sin theta divided by cos theta divided by sin theta, and dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Therefore, y is equal to a sin theta d theta plus c plus b constant of integration, and integration of sin theta is equal to minus cos theta. Therefore, y is equal to minus a cos theta plus by constant of integration b. Therefore, y is equal to minus a cos theta plus b, and equation x is equal to a sin theta. Putting take b inside y, therefore y minus b is equal to minus a cos theta, and squaring and adding x is equal to a sin theta and y minus b is equal to minus a cos theta. Therefore, x square plus y minus b bracket square is equal to a square into sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is a circle having center on the y-axis and center is 0, b, and radius is a. This is required time. Show that, next example, show that geodesic on a right circular cylinder is a helix. Geodesic on a right circular cylinder is a helix. What is mean a helix? What is mean by helix? We know that right circular cylinder is characterized by the equations x square plus y square is equal to a square, z is equal to z. The parameter equations of the right circular cylinder are x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta, z is equal to z. Therefore, dx is equal to a cos theta, d theta, a sin theta, d theta, minus dy is equal to a cos theta, d theta, and dz is equal to j or dj. Therefore, ds square is equal to dx square plus dy square plus dz square. What is a square cos square theta, a square sin square theta plus a square cos square theta plus dz square. A square take common. Therefore, ds square is equal to a square sin square theta plus cos square theta d theta square plus dz square. Hence, the total length of the on the curve on the surface of the cylinder is given by I is equal s is equal to integral from theta naught to theta square root of a square plus z dash square dz for z dash is equal to dz by d theta. For s to be mega extremum, the integrand f is equal to square root of a square minus a square plus z dash square. Must satisfy Euler's Lagrange's differential equations. Therefore, del by f by del by z minus d by d theta of del by f by del by z dash is equal to 0. But here terms of z absent. Therefore, del by f by del by z is equal to 0. Derivatives of this functional with respect to z is equal to 0. And del by f by del by z dash is nothing but d by dz of dz dash of square root of a square plus z dash square and is equal to 2z dash divided by 2 square root of a square plus z dash square. Therefore, 2 cancel and remains z dash divided by square root of a square plus z dash square and square root of a square plus z dash square is nothing but f. Therefore, d by d theta of z dash divided by f is equal to 0. And integrating we get z dash is equal to a. Z dash is nothing but dz by d theta. And dz by d theta is equal to a. Therefore, dz is equal to a d theta. Integrating we get z is equal to a theta plus b. A is not equal to 0. Where a, b are constant. Therefore, this equation gives the required equation of helix, and thus the geodesic on the surface of a cylinder is a helix.